A headless CMS is a back-end-only content management system. It stores your content and delivers it through an API, allowing you to display that content on any device by separating the storage from the presentation layer. Looking at the history, we started in the monolith era, where content and design were tightly coupled, which was fine for simple desktops. Now, with the multi-channel shift, we need decoupled systems to publish content across many platforms simultaneously. What are the core components? First, the Content Hub, a central database for your content. Second, the API layer, which acts as a secure messenger. And finally, any front-end, where you choose the technology to display your content. There are several real-world applications. Headless CMS enables omni-channel publishing, provides faster performance by avoiding bloated templates, and offers future-proofing, allowing you to redesign your interface without needing to migrate your back-end content. Looking ahead, the future points to widespread adoption and integration with artificial intelligence. As new digital touchpoints emerge, this architecture will become the standard for delivering scalable and composable content everywhere.